Hello, this is Mark Perez with the Restore America Club. We're here at the Washington Soldiers Home Cemetery, and look, this is the existing flagpole next to the new flagpole, towering nearly double the height, 15 feet higher. You can see the little, my light is shining on the way up top. You can see a little ball right there, a little tiny speck. That's the top of the new flagpole versus the old. Look at that. Let me get a little closer. I mean, you can see much more significant. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Old and new. And the new will fly a 6-foot by 10-foot U.S. flag that will proudly preside over her dead, her heroes, rather, I should say. It's a very small U.S. flag here on this existing pole. It's not the right size. It's not adequate for this cemetery. But this pole, which you can't even see the top of it really, will have the right size flag. Very nice, very nice.